up out the system. Niggas dying every day, I'm sleeping with my sister. I see dollar signs, I got money on my money. We go hit the stick, go get that bag, I'm on a mission. Shoot these eyes, I seen it all, man, I just wanna fall. Got my head up to the sky, with my back against the wall. OG told me just stay down, fuck with me, it going down. And that chopper got extended, that big old I'm from Lil Rod in my city, man, I just wanna fall. Set the colors on some sixes and see real high off the ground. In the back, a couple pounds, fuck with me, it going down.
Alright, YouTube, we're back on the Monte Carlo. Well, we're on the Monte Carlo. You guys saw in the previous video update on all my cars. The Monte Carlo kind of skipped the OBS, mainly because I already had the motor for this, so you just wanted to go ahead and get this running and driving. And probably won't start on bodywork right now, or I might start on bodywork right now. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, because I was supposed to be doing the OBS first. But the motor is already out. It's the motor that came out. I was going to rebuild this motor into a 383 and put it into the Mustang, but it's cheaper to buy a short block than to rebuild a block. So I'm gonna sell this, and I'm just gonna buy a 383 short block already together and just go that route. So I was gonna show you guys the build of this, but I'm not gonna do that. It'll be cheaper just to do a short block. So the Monte Carlo motor is ready to come in, ready to drop in. We got the motor broke down. I'm gonna paint the valve covers candy blue. We got the intake right there. We got the new water pump. We got the new oil pump. We also got the new cam. I didn't go too big with the cam. Damn, he already got it in the motor. Damn, he already got it in the motor. I just went stage one. Nothing crazy. Needed a new oil pressure switch, and we went with a new see if I can get it open. And we went with a new timing chain kit. Since that one looked like that. So hopefully we have it back together today so we can drop it into the car by the weekend. I also already have the wiring harness for it also, which is right there. So hopefully both of these, between the Monte Carlo and my Vert, will be cranking and moving at the same time. So all right, YouTube, that's it on the Monte Carlo, man. We'll be back once we get ready to drop the motor in. Oh, the headers will be here Friday. That's what we waiting on. The headers will be here Friday, and then we can drop the motor into the car. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next clip, which will more than likely be when the headers come and we get ready to drop the motor in the car. So see you guys later. All right, y'all, we got the motor in the Monte Carlo. L60 trans. It's up in the air. See the new timing chain sprocket. So he don't have the cross member in there yet, but we're gonna make it work. All right, YouTube, I guess I'm going to go ahead and paint the valve covers candy blue. I'll show you guys that in the next clip. and that way he can put those on. But we still waiting on the headers. The headers will be here tomorrow, so let's go ahead and paint these valve covers so they'll be dry enough to get put on later on today, and then tomorrow he can put the headers on. So moving pretty fast with this one. Hopefully we can start on body work sometime next week. I already got all the paint for it. I got everything for it as far as the blue. I already got the headliner, because if you guys don't remember, my first Monte Carlo, I was going to do candy blue, and I had already bought some stuff for that car, and I still have it from that car. So I'm just gonna keep the same concept on this one that I was gonna do with my other one. So all right, see y'all when we paint these valve covers. We'll paint the intake and the covers for the Monte Carlo. Same color going on the car. So we're gonna sand it, we're gonna bulldog it. Time later on Ryan silver base. See y'all in when I get to know the base. The dually. I'm gonna get touch this summer. Kill. Well, y'all, we got it all in the car. We got the last little brackets for the alternator. Camaro. Hey, he said them brackets come out for 98 to an 02 Camaro. Alex. So I'm finna Google the motor so we know where these motors go. So that's where we at. He said he took the motor. He said that's a LS6 intake off his motor, and these are all the brackets off his motor too.
Where the motor was in, where the block was.
I ain't see the block.
I didn't.
Well, we finna Google it. Let's see.
Several days later.
Wires came in. Now we gotta coordinate. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, boo.
See, I'm jumping too short for you.
They is not too short, bro.
I'm jumping too short.
They is not too short, bro.
That's the hell.
Look at that. See, look at that. Perfect, bro. Perfect. Then I got you the spark plugs and everything.
That's what I need for my car. I'm just gonna use half these.
What the fuck? Hell no. They cheap on Amazon. Just tell me which ones you want and I'll order them.
You even wait 4 days before they get here?
Bro, I ordered that yesterday. It got here today.
You ordered it 3-4 days ago.
No, I didn't. I ordered this yesterday and it got here today.
I didn't see you ordered none yesterday.
I'll show you.
Well, some more of your stuff coming in today, B?
No, my cross member.
My motherfucking shoes for nothing.
My cross member won't be here till tomorrow. Then that's it. The cross member, the fuel pump.
Man, I'm talking like that was about $300.
Shit supposed to be in here yesterday, but it didn't come.
Ain't that little motherfucker.
Hopefully it comes today type shit.
Yeah, hopefully.
What them shoes for?
Where you order some shoes from?
What's it called?
What the hell is what's it called?
I forgot the name of that place. They some designer shoes. They ain't trying to sell. They need to send my motherfucker $300 back then.
Alexander McQueen.
No, some ball mines and some.
These are just temporarily joints until my other ones come in. They told me I won't get my other wires until May 5th.
Sip.
So I ordered these until the.
My work shoes. You ain't finna work no damn Giuseppe. You a motherfucking lie. If we some motherfucking car.
You finna work into some $300 shoes.
Yeah, the fuck yeah.
I mean, shit, they working $300 boots. Them damn boots like that be $300.
And I got some of them. I just don't wear them.
Them motherfucking boots higher than motherfuckers.
I got the red one.
What them about 300?
Nah, like two something.
See what I'm talking about?
My red one.
He whole last though.
Shit, them designer shoes gonna last.
Show the fuck is.
Like I said, show the fuck is.
Yeah, I'm planning on making 2,000 on that.
Some red bird jumps. Red one.
Who went designer work? Okay.
Them ain't gonna charge everybody when he put them shoes on. Oh, you want your motor put in? Alright, $3 grand. I got put.
Gonna pay for themselves. I'm working in them bitches soon they come.
Yeah, these just some little cheap ass wires. I think they still 10mm though.
Right, 5 days down up.
They just till my real ones come in.
Okay, 5 days. We ain't got my furrow system yet.
Yep.
Electric pump right there. That's all they need. That's enough PSI.
Man, that damn shit ain't enough. My fuel shit supposed to be here yesterday. I'm so mad.
It might come today.
Why long as hell?
Be alright. I want it to be long so to stick out so you can see the blueness. You gotta coordinate like Pops. Coordinate.
You got to coordinate. Most people don't coordinate. So you got to coordinate.
Should have painted this shit blue.
What? Oh, why I'm missing a boat?
I need a boat on all long.
Damn, bro, what happened to all my boats?
You never have.
You a damn lie. It was on the vet.
Stole.
Who stole my boats?
Chris, ain't no telling.
Chris, you stole my boats?
I ain't been up here.
You were just up here.
When?
When we were dropping the motor in your daddy truck. You were just up here then. That's probably when you took my boats. Damn, fool, you stole my damn boats, bro.
My cousin just got your ass on Facebook. My cousin just got your ass on Facebook.
He just got my ass.
I could have.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, I still gotta order. I still gotta order the Tahoe. Damn, man, let me get on Amazon and see if I can find that. Yeah, he got fitted for a wedding. Damn, I still gotta do the damn Tahoe thing.
He said you get married.
All right, we'll be back, y'all. When we get this shit plugged up, show y'all what it looked like. Then we can end this episode 1. That doesn't look good. Look at that.
That might wouldn't get fitted for a week.
That man ain't gonna get fitted, bro. Step back.
Well, guys, this is where we at. Go ahead and end the first episode here. In part 2, we'll be putting a new cross member in, the fuel system, the electric fans, finish up the spark plug wires, and cranking it for the first time. Went over the car today with my body guy. He said he should be through with it in 2 days. So hopefully, man, we'll be able to get some paint on this thing within a couple of weeks. So, but that's where we at on episode 1. Episode 2, we should run, drive, do the rear disc brake conversion, and body work. So, in the floor pan. So, all right, man, stay tuned to episode 2. Coming very soon. Very soon. Should be recording for it tomorrow when the cross member come in. But I want to go ahead and get it uploaded so to get you guys some footage. So we'll start recording for episode 2 tomorrow. Subscribe and see what I do next.